These are the parts I managed to assemble. Again, I'll put links in the description to anything that I mentioned here that's going to be important or relevant. First and foremost, the case that I'm going to use is a Fractal Design Define R6. That's my case. The motherboard I chose was this, it's a Gigabyte AORUS Z390. Right here I have two NVMe M.2 drive. One that's going to be a 500 gigabyte drive. The other is a 250 gigabyte drive, and I'm going to use that for Windows 10. So what's going to be running the whole program here is this. I decided to go with the Intel i7. It's a 9700K. This box is just my Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RAM. Whoa. G.SKILL Trident in 3200 megahertz, I believe. Right here is my cables. I went with a kit from CableMod. Right here is I have a set of 5 different fans from CORSAIR. They're the ML140. Next, we got a Radeon 64 GPU here. And last but not least is my cooler. I went with air cooler, Dark Rock Pro 4. So let's get into this build and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm all done. Took me a little longer than I anticipated, but for the most part, I'm all done. I'm all set up. Hooked everything up and everything is working really great. The only thing I had a little bit of an issue with, not even a big issue, was it was not falling asleep. At the sleep timer to go maybe 15 minutes after use, fall asleep, and it wasn't falling asleep, or it would initiate the sleep function but then immediately wake right back up. But if memory serves me correct, it was the Ethernet that it was waking whenever the Ethernet detected any type of activity. Works perfectly. Right now it's asleep, but it wakes up, and it's pretty fast, as you can imagine. And everything works really great. It does 4K really well. I went from taking really, really long amounts of time on my Mac Pro when trying to render out any type of 4K video to right now, it's super fast. I couldn't be more happy. Everything is working well. All my applications are loaded and I'm able to use it. I am coming from a Mac environment, so at this point I'm happy with the PC. And that's about it. I don't really have any complaints. So again, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this was informative. If you guys have any questions, please leave a question in the comments section. If you have any tips or information for me, again, comment section. Feel free to subscribe if you're if you found anything interesting. You guys want to come back and check me out as hopefully my channel grows. Again, tech in my life. I kind of go through and go over tech that I use on a day-to-day basis and how it impacts me and my family. And the little guy here, super excited. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Anything else you want to say?
Hi. Subscribe. Hi, my name is Ian.
And this is my dad.
And this is my dad.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Thanks, bud.
Okay.
But again, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care.